In today's video, I will be talking about 5 ingredients that make a perfect brand. Hi, this is Nishta Mantri and you're watching My Life Transcript, your daily dose to business and life. We all love brands that have something different to offer. Brands that ensure a special VIP treatment to their customers. All of this is achievable. If you own a brand or wish to launch one, here is your recipe. The first ingredient is a brand name. When you're creating a brand, the most important element is the brand name. That name is the biggest differentiator. It is the first look that a consumer has into your business. For example, when you're sharing a business card with someone, what people look at is the name of your company. A brand name that has a powerful meaning is a great way to making your first impression. Second ingredient is your brand logo. Your logo design is your biggest investment for your brand. I have seen a lot of people taking their logo designing as a simple process of documenting. They look for the cheapest graphic designer to design this not so important element of their brand. That's the biggest mistake most of us do. Your logo should be a red carpet outfit. It should be a head turner. Every element of your logo depicts something. There is a reason why we use red and not pink and orange for some brands. So don't go for my favorite color is syndrome. Give your logo a deep thought and a deep breath. The third ingredient is brand niche. When we initially started conducting sessions for women entrepreneurs, a lot of men would inquire and ask if they could enroll for our workshops. At that time, looking at the empty seats in our class, we thought of letting the men in. But then I took a call to focus and stay committed to our niche, which is women entrepreneurs. Today, becoming known for one thing is not hard. It is saying no to the other distractions, which is the hardest part. A lot of entrepreneurs feel that they should address to the entire market. They feel and believe that they're leaving business on the table if they focus on a particular segment. But look at it this way. It is better to be a market leader in a particular segment rather than catering to everyone and competing with the biggies. The question that arises here is, how do we do that? The best way to create your niche is to define it. Here are 5 ways that you can define your niche. One way to define your niche is to define your ideal customer. You really need to know who your customer is. Another way to define your niche is to pick an industry to serve. What is the industry that you totally love and you're passionate about? Moving on to the third way to define your niche is to specialize in a specific product or service. For instance, saying that I sell real estate in Mumbai is too broad. A good way to put that is I sell bungalows, penthouses and row houses in Powai. That is more specific. Another way to define your niche is to look for an ignored or forgotten audience. If you can cater to the special needs of this audience, you will have a secure client for life. The last and the easiest way to define your niche is to stay updated and follow the trend. By doing this, you will get a chance to get into the lives of your customers and also look at how your competitors are marketing. And you never know, you might just get a gap in the market or a space that you can fulfill. The fourth ingredient is your brand USP. A USP is a unique selling proposition of your brand. It comprises of special attributes and features that benefit customers from owning your brand. It is a promise that you make to your customers when he's actually making a purchase. When you go out shopping, all the sales pitch that people make to you is nothing but a great brand USP. Your fifth ingredient is your brand purpose. Since you need a purpose to live, so does your brand. Without a purpose, our life is meaningless. In the same way, without a purpose, even your brand is meaningless. To derive at your brand's purpose, here's an exercise. Ask yourself 5 whys. I first asked myself, what does MLT do? My Life Transcript is a place where we train, coach and mentor women for their entrepreneurial journey. Then I asked my first why. Why is that important? It provides education to women and makes their approach professional. Then came the second why. We want women to aspire and inspire in life. Then was the third why. We want women to break free from their inner inhibitions. Then the fourth why. We want women to experience financial freedom. And last was the fifth why, because we want women to create a self-identity. That was the core purpose of our organization. Pretty simple, isn't it? Take some time out of your business and figure out your 5 why, the core purpose of your organization. All in all, mix all these ingredients together and you will be ready with the perfect brand for your business. If these little conversations are good food for thought, do subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social platforms. Here's what you do next. Leave a comment and share. What is that ingredient that's lacking in your brand? And what is your brand's core purpose? To know more about growing your business through our events, sessions, and workshops, sign up at mylifetranscript.com.